Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a short plant video to share with you, so let us begin with our beautiful and gorgeous looking maple leaf ivy. See how beautiful it looks. Look at the leaves, and it is looking very pretty. And as the monsoon has set in, now we can take the cuttings for propagating new plants so that we can share with our friends, with our loved near and dear ones. So this is how my maple leaf ivy looks. I had bought this plant I think 2 years or 3 years back from the flower show. It's a beautiful one. I just love it. Now let us move on to our geranium. This is how my geranium is looking right now. This is the pink splash, and these are the flowers it has right now. It is single petal but a beautiful one. Actually, as the monsoon has set in, the condition of the geranium plants are very pathetic right now, and there I can see tiny bud that is forming. I think that will take about 20 days to bloom, and this is the bloom that I have right now, and yes, I am just loving it. This is the plant, but as the monsoon has set in, it is getting very tricky to keep the geranium plants healthy. Now moving on to our wandering Jew. This is the miniature one, the Tradescantia. It is also called the painted lady or the pink panther, and it has turned more pink than last time that I had shown you. This is it. It's a beautiful plant. You put it in the pot and the whole pot is going to get covered with these teeny tiny leaves, which are so beautiful and colorful. But when it is not kept in the sun, the leaves are going to turn green again. So this is how it does. Now let's move on to our succulent. This is the Echeveria pulvinate ruby. The leaves were turning ruby red, but for the past couple of days we are having a little bit of rain, so I think the colors are gradually disappearing. When kept in the full sun, the leaves turn red, the whole of the leaves, but in my particular plant only the margins were turning red. Now this is the sedum, the graptosedum, which has been grown from leaves. Yes, these are also the sedum which have been grown from leaves which were dropped in this plastic pot, torn and tattered plastic pot. Look at this gorgeous beauty. I love succulents. Beautiful. Now let us move on to our succulent. This is a pot full of succulent. It has the burro's tail and 4 different types of succulents growing there. I had bought this from the flower show in the month of February, and this is how it has grown in all these months. A beautiful one, but till now I have not broken any leaf so as to propagate. So let's see when I do that. Now this is the Hoya, the only Hoya in my collection, and I'm still waiting so that I can see it bloom. And when it does, yes, I'm going to share it with you. This is my Hoya plant. Thank God it's alive. Now these are the few geraniums that are flowering here and there. That's the red. This is the pink one. These were given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa, the cuttings. And although it is very hot and humid, as well as it is raining, but still here and there my geraniums are blooming and are making me happy. Look at the color. What a pretty shade of pink. Beautiful. I just love them. Now the main part, or the The most challenging part is keeping them alive during the monsoon. This plant given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti, and yes, they are showing some buds. Very soon they are going to bloom. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have found the video useful, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, to consider subscribing, and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.